Are you spending hours studying and still not remembering anything? It's not your fault. You're probably studying against your brain's natural wiring. This is the VAK framework: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic, and knowing your primary style is the ultimate study hack. Let's find out which one you are. First up, we have the visual learners. You learn best when you can literally see the information. If you love using colors, drawing diagrams and charts, and keeping your notes super clean and organized, then this is you. Your memory is triggered by visual cues. So, here's the professional strategy for visual students. First, color code everything. Use different colors for dates, key definitions, and important examples. This helps your brain categorize information visually. Second, diagram it. Instead of reading long, dense paragraphs, convert that information into flowcharts, mind maps, and concept maps. Third, use image flashcards. If you're just using text-only flashcards, you're wasting your time. Add a relevant image or a simple drawing to each card. Fourth, find animated explanations. YouTube is your best friend here, but AI tools can also generate complex, dynamic visuals that make abstract concepts stick. A quick check: if your notes look like a work of art, you're probably a visual learner. But what if you'd rather listen to a podcast than read a book? The next style might surprise you. Next up, we have the auditory learners. You absorb information best by hearing it. You're the one who thrives in discussions, remembers what the professor said in a lecture word for word, and loves verbal explanations. Your study hack is all about sound. First, record yourself. After you learn a concept, explain it into your phone's voice memo app as if you're teaching someone else. Second, listen on repeat. Play back your recordings while you're walking, commuting, or doing chores. This is a powerful way to review material passively. Third, join or start a study group. The act of talking through concepts, debating them, and hearing different perspectives will lock the information into your memory. Don't just sit and read quietly together. Fourth, and this is the simplest one, read aloud. Just hearing your own voice read your notes dramatically improves retention for your auditory brain. Now, if that doesn't sound like you, and you still hate sitting at a desk all day, pay close attention. The last style is for the people who just can't sit still. Finally, we have the kinesthetic learners. You learn by doing. You need movement, hands-on practice, and real-world application to make information stick. You are the movers, the builders, the experimenters. So, you need to stop just memorizing and start moving. Here's how. 1. Stand and pace. Study while standing at a high counter or walk around your room while reviewing notes. The simple act of movement can boost your focus and recall. 2. Use manipulatives. Build a model of a cell. Use physical flashcards you can touch and sort, or even draw concepts with chalk on a big board. Get your hands involved. 3. Practice. Don't just read. Focus your time on actually solving problems, doing lab work, or running simulations. Active engagement is your key. 4. Take micro breaks for movement. Every 20 minutes, do 5 jumping jacks, stretch, or walk to get some water. Resetting your body helps to reset your focus. But here's the professional truth. You are not only one style. The highest performing students don't limit themselves. They use a blend of all three. They create mind maps, record themselves explaining those maps, and then physically trace the connections with their fingers. However, knowing your dominant style is the key to unlocking maximum focus and memory in the shortest amount of time. It's your starting point for building a more effective, multi-sensory study system. So, don't just watch this video, act on it. Tell me in the comments right now, VAK, which one is your dominant style? I want to know. And for the advanced study hacks, the ones that show you exactly how to combine all three styles for maximum retention and top grades, comment part 3 right now. I'll know you're ready for the next level. Thanks for watching. Follow Akram Tech for more professional study hacks, productivity tools, and AI-powered learning tips to help you work smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.